Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5086672 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you are receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run PowerShell as an administrator. Now for this, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one and paste it over here, hit the enter key. These commands will do this. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, copy the second command, again paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now run third command and once done, run the last command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once this is done, restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can update. Still not working? Go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and over here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here. Once paused, now click on Resume Updates, and then you can check. Still not working? Type in Services in Windows search box. Click on Services. Find App Readiness. Make a double click on App Readiness. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on App Readiness, click on Restart. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted. And then click on OK, make a right click, click on Restart. Now scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click, click on Restart, and then you can check. Still not working? The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on Command Prompt app. Make sure that you run Command Prompt as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working? Use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5086612 over here, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer, run command. Check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. Now open Windows settings, go to System, scroll down, go to About option, and check your system type. For me the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download. Now click on KB5086672 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this file, click on it, run this file, and you can install this update manually, restart your computer, and then check. Still not working? The next step is to close all the third-party application or services which you are not using. So close all the third-party application and services. You can disable your antivirus program. If you have any third-party antivirus, you can disable it while installing the update. Once you are done installing the update, you can enable it again. If you have any third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit Anti-Cheat, Riot Vanguard, or any other anti-cheat program, you can close it or you can uninstall that application, restart your computer, and then update your Windows. Next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. So you can go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down. Here you can see Recovery option, click on it. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows, your apps, files, and settings. will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart the computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file, and then you have to click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish, and then let this close automatically, and then go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.